Which one of the following lanthanoid ions are colored? So we have given 4 elements. One is Lu3 plus with ions, that is another is Pm3 plus with ions, another third is Sm plus with ions, and fourth one is Eu3 plus that has also ions. So we need to find the lanthanoids ions are colored, which are colored. So that is again a question of the P blocks and the table. That is the general question from the periodic table. We need to find the chemistry. We need to go through that thoroughly so we don't forget the concepts from that. So we need to remember that from these which are unpaired, which have unpaired f electrons, so Pm3 plus, Sm3 plus and Eu3 plus, these are the 3 elements which have unpaired f electrons. And we also know that Lu3 plus from the lanthanoid series, this is a colorless substance which also have a periodic like this. This is a colorless substance. Lm3 plus is pink in nature. This substance is pink in nature. Sm3 plus is yellow in nature, and Eu3 plus is also pink in nature. So we need to find the ions which are colored. So we know one thing, that Lu3 plus is colorless. These 3 are colored. So Pm3 plus, Sm and Eu, this is our option, which are the colored ions. From this we can say that these are the colored ions, and they also contained an unpaired f electrons, hence they are colored. If they would have a paired f electrons, then they would be colorless, but in this case we have a unpaired f electrons, since they are colored in nature.